Anybody who's going to Mbombela is wasting their time. No cup lifting that's going to happen there. You are just going to be crying.
Lo makoti lo besishade naye for 8 years. Abanye abamjabulile bayitshela bathola intombi into. Sizwile ukuthi uhlehlisile umshado ngesonto elidlule. Wawuthatha ukuba kulomgqibelo siyakona. Ngenhloso zokuzama ukubuya kuthina amasandawana. Sithi baze bamtshela ukuthi kuyomsiza ukuthi enze into ephusile ashade naye indoda emnyama lempisholo. Thina sinankinga nalokho. Kumanje sisemazweni eMorocco sishela isiteteleko sankosikazi ucode 14. Ningasitsheli ngicode 8 lo esishapha lesi. Kunini ngifa amakhona. Hamba uyoshona ogodwe njengesipikile asakudingi. Esingakusho nje kwindoda emnyama sinifisela inhlanhla engathi umshado wenu ungayimpumelelo ngomgqibelo.
Awuyabona amaphakaphaka Nyanisaluta ngamampela nina maphakaphaka nihlanganisa ama team wase South Africa wonke ahlangene ngani against nina but iligi noyithatha solo okunjalo. Nyanisaluta maphakaphaka nisaluta madoda.
Yazi bafowethu. Usuku ngendlela olude ngayo kulezi insuku usuku kimi njengoba ngumlandeli wePirates nje. Usuku ufana no 3 months. Nyama phela fana ngathenga nje encane ngoba wangikhuza udokotela ukuthi ngingasayidli ngoba ugout. Into nje inyama ngisayidli ngidle kakhulu yabona ba ngiyaphila nezimali nje. Ngudle kakhulu azathi ngizophatha lokho kwagout. So ngithenga ngithengele encane nje ka 300. Yabo lokhu ngane ama short ribs nama brisket. So njahukosa bafuthu inkinga ngami stress leso. Iyaqina manje fridge nenyama bo. Njahukosa. Ngigqibela ushani like uyazi ngigqibela ngasami ngibona sengathi u2029. Hey bafowethu angifuni ukukhohlisa usuku oluyi1 ngathi u3 months. Yo jabula sifuna bejabo siduma ngabanye straight. Ngisho ngira out kanjani Jovejo.
Obit hlisa umoya. Angithi wena uvikize embe wena. So wayidingi win vele Saturday. Nedraw ingakusiza mina ngizoyishaya ichipha kuleke. Angilwi izimpi zami ngawe la. Ufuna ukuya ehlathini? Uyabona ke. Ngiyazi ukuthi Arsenal seyiwine ileague and i-role model yabo. Kodwa akusho lutho lokho. Wena ayinaki Arsenal, hawu. Yebo bahlezi bekunumber 2 bobabili. Ngiyakwazi lokho nje. Yini umtente engizaziyo? Hayi nawe. Wena wina Saturday. Mfethu ukuze ungeke uye ehlathini. Kuphela nje. Kanti ungathi manje siyalo. Awufuni ngikuyuze. Ngikuyuze. Yebo ngikuyuze ngiqinisile. Okay, Saturday. Sure. Yabona amathima amancane.
Sibingelelekho emndenini wethu waka TikTok kunini manje lithambeme ilanga lokhu kusho ukuthi ke iEl Nassr iwinile ngo4-1 namhlanje lokho ke confirms ileague trophy yabo for the first time ever since uRonaldo afika lapha eSaudi Arabia bawineke lapha ileague yabo mfethu. Ngidabukile ukumbona ekhala towards the end of the game isiyophela ukubona mfethu ukuthi ama emotions were running high lapha ngangithishile kwengesonto ngathi uma iEl Nassr neArsenal beyiwinile ileague. Guess what? iArsenal iwinile Monday. Wayiwina uRonaldo namhlanje ileague. IOrbit noma inga defender nguMessi adlala u5 yeso. Ilande uMbappe adlala u6. Ilande uVinicius adlala u8. Ilande uRonaldo strike ngeke iwine ngoba the football gods want ukuthi lama team awine league. Guess what? Orlando Pirates yona sisele ngomgqibelo siyobe sesayinile sacikika sashicelela. Kuyangidida ukuthi ngani uCM engekho esquadini kupreliminary. Kuyangidida idefend of the season ingekho lapha. Hugo Bruce mningi imbuzo kumele ayiphendule. Akahambe usiyanyanyisa.
So this Plumbers, they thought that I couldn't win the league. I mean, if I look now, I see that one doesn't have a job. I see that the other one is struggling to get into top 4. The other one lost to Budget FC twice. And they said that they don't see that Pirates is going to win the league. I want to prove them wrong. This Saturday, they better relax and know that the pain will be landing this Saturday. Pain might have been delayed by that game of Durban, but the pain will not be denied. Our boys will make us proud. We will win the game, and we will win the league, and we will take the title. And these ones, they will feel the pain. Thank you.
Ningandivika kubi guys, andithi kutheni kodwa ngicela nje nifunde apha ngaphezulu, nifunde apha nithi niyobukela la match izawudlala on Saturday, nibe niyifundile le information.
Awu mabhakabhaka bakithi, awu bhuti omdala ngiza kuwena ngesikhalo. Ngiyabona ukuthi league senifuna ukuyithatha kodwa awu sengaze niyithathe ngalendlela bakithi. Isihluku esingaka. Yini mabhakabhaka inhliziyo enjena. Niyabona nje ukuthi Orbit College nayidla izoyehlathini, izoya kwi-NFD iphume kwi-PSL ngenxa yini. Sizothini ke ngezingane zabo nemndeni yabo ezokhala uma iOrbic College siphumile kwi-PSL mabhakabhaka. Hawu kanti senifunani bakithi MTN 8 nithathile nje. Naphinde nayithatha neCarling Black Label Cup. Enough. Umkhobholo omngaka bafethu. Sengaze kuphume enye team ezamelayo, Orbit College ezamela bakithi kwi-PSL. Iyayizamela. Kodwa nina senifuna ukuyikhipha. Ifika nje mabhakabhaka. Hawu angithambisani bakithi. Thambisani. Hawu bakithi. Umkhobholo omngaka. Awungayenzi lento mabhaba. Siyacela nje ake nicabangele abadlali beOrbit College Nkosi yami uma sebephumile kwi-PSL ukuthi inhliziyo zabo zobabhlungu kangakanani. Aningabi izathu mabhaba. Hawu kodwa Jesu ningayenzi lento mabhaba. Ngiyabonga.
Has anybody seen Orlando Pirates supporters this week? No, they're very quiet. They're very amabhakabhaka kwenzenjani. Amabhakabhaka kwenzenjani. Where is everybody, Orlando Pirates? And I know them, they say, no, we'll remain humble. Meanwhile, they're here. That's Zedling. Nervous. The nerves have kicked in. This, as a neutral fan, this is what I was talking about. It made this week exciting. Because some, beginning of the week, Orlando Pirates supporters, even after Durban City, were very confident. But now, as the days go on, they're starting to realize, like, hey, man, one mistake here, things could go south. And the fact that Orbit College is fighting relegation. Yes, majority of Pirates players are there, but they're still fighting relegation. So they could put all those players on the bench and then bring in a fresh new Orbit College team. So I can see Pirate supporters very, very quiet this week. They're scarce this week. In English, scarce. But guys, don't worry. Respectfully, of course, to Orbit College, you guys are going to make Orbit College twerk. You're going to lift it on Saturday, so don't stress, Mapakania. You're going to be in celebration mode come this weekend.
Orlando Pirates Football Club. Mapakania. Siyanicela man. Players siyanicela madoda. Siyanicela kange niwine le league. Siyanicela Saturday kange niye pha embombele nowina le league. Siyanicela madoda, siyanibongoza. Azange ndawacanga ngamanye amadoda ningawaziyo, but this time around ndiyanicela madoda. Yini siyanicela madoda ayikakubi. The thing is sigezile. Sesithethe kakhulu. Sesithethe kakhulu. Now if ever you guys don't win it, you are in big trouble. Driving. They're gonna cook us. Every chance they get, they're gonna cook us. Thina sisifensi wenziwe lo msebenzi, sinisupportile majida. Sinisupporta ngendlela yonke. We bought the merchandise. Fill up his stadiums 13 times. No, gents, no. Can you please do this for us? Just go there and win the league. Even if you guys score one goal, it's fine, it's okay. Simnandi. Even if ever Mbutuma and Makoba can't score, then Bodlela must come and score the goal. It's okay. Siyanicela, gents, siyanicela. Just do it for us. Imagine, I don't know if you want to imagine it. Because Madoda siyanicela man. Siyanicela madoda. Yo. Siyanicela madoda. Khangeni nje bayimbombela nowena le league. Cha, it's fine. Yo, is that too much to ask? Oh. Ayunzima.
Coach Wadu, as you go to the season finale, let us help you with your job and give you an Orlando Pirates ideal winning team and stop the things that you usually do. In polls, you've got Sipho Chain, left and right full backs, Dion Hoto Kamogalo Sebelebele, center backs, Captain CBC and Lewone Siema. Central midfield, number 6, Maketleni Makaula. Number 8, Mbata. Number 10, Relewile Mufokeng. Left and right wing, you've got Police and Moremi. Striker, you've got Mahopa. On the bench, we're going to give you impact players that are going to change the game for us, not the people that you always bring. These are the 3 important players that you must bring from the bench if the score is still 0-0. If the score is still 0-0, you bring in Sipho Mbuli for Maketleni Makaula. Drop Mbata to number 6. Let Sipho Mbuli play number 8. He will occasionally join Mufokeng. The reason is because of Sipho Mbuli is a very intelligent player. He adjusts to any game. If we are still playing high-intensive play, we want to quickly find a goal, Sipho Mbuli will join in the high-intensive play. He will play those deadly one-touches, those defense-splitting passes, and dangerous bargain passes behind the opponent defense. That is Sipho Mbuli. That's why you need him as opposed to Maswangani, who always goes back, who always kills the tempo of the game. And on the wings, if our wing players are tired, because they are likely the people that might need to be substituted because of the tired legs, you do not shift Mufokeng outside, because once you shift Mufokeng outside, you are killing the entire team. You bring in Daba for you bring in Daba for either Police or Moremi and then push Hoto forward. You are going to bring in Van Rooyen for again either Police or Moremi and then push Sebelebele forward. Then we still have those high intensive press and attack, and will be able to win the game. You are confusing a simple team that can win the league and could have taken you very far in CAF Champions. So you are a team no to lo thorjisa ar to thorra si cheka wena risha o to tsentsha bomputuma le bonem thajela le bo mariko e mona ro botsa something wena coach Wadu. A fresh-legged Mbutuma is worse than a tired Mahopa. I rather prefer to keep Mahopa, who's tired, in the team rather than bring in Mbutuma. He's not giving us anything. He's not impacting the team. He's not changing anything within the team. So we're giving you a team that is going to win the final game and ultimately win the league. So Rukubela Skaba Rata Wala Matata weekend. As a belief. Kur asebila na kutolwa lwena. Ebe urkweli.